How to trade option on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can trade option on Robinhood or how you can place order. So in order to trade option on Robinhood, first of all you need to go ahead and log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged in, it's going to ask you to provide in the passcode. It's going to take you to the home page. So this is how the interface is going to look like. Right on this page, go ahead and select the profile icon located right at the bottom. Now in order to begin with the trade option, you need to scroll down a bit. You need to first of all select the category. So I'm going to go with the stocks, and on the search box type in the particular asset that you wish to trade with. So I'm going to go with Tesla for now, no, or whatever asset. Now you need to go ahead and select the trade button located right at the bottom. In order to trade or in order to locate a trade option on Robinhood, make sure that your account is verified. Only then you can begin with the trading process. So then to tap the trade button, next page is going to take you to sell or buy, put or call. Select either one of it, and by default it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount. Next page is going to ask you to confirm the review orders, so go through it all, and if you're sure about the information, then click the submit button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be notified that you've successfully placed order on Robinhood. So that's basically how you can trade option on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.